Hello tipsters and tricksters, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Vintage Tips and Tricks video. I want to ask you guys, what do you think? I've created the introduction and stuff to make my videos seem more polished, but at the same time sometimes I feel like it's a little bit disingenuous, and I kind of liked the authenticity of just like opening up videos. But then again, I guess not everyone is familiar with my channel. So let me know in the comments what you think. Should I keep the intro like where I say welcome to my channel and stuff, or should I just go back to like starting videos and being chatty? I would be really interested to hear what you have to say. But today I have some really exciting news because I have someone new in my life that I want to share with you guys. So keeping the suspense, I will show you a little bit of backstory.
What have you got if you haven't got love?
So I got invited to lunch today, and the people I'm staying with just got a new dog, and they already have a dog, and Jade, who also lives on the property, has 2 dogs, and apparently a friend of the family very sadly passed away, and she had a little doggy who was going to be put down. So they said, bring it here and we'll figure out what to do, and by the time lunch was over I had a dog. Louie! Hi! Meet Louie, everybody! Hello! Oh, you're not camera shy, are you? So I'm not gonna lie, I've been secretly wanting a dog, but I've been worried about responsibility because my life's a bit up in the air at the moment, but I'm not gonna say no to looking after a dog that would otherwise be homeless or be put down. Who's getting a bath? You like it? Is that good? You like a bath? Is that better? Yes. It's in self-drying mode. Is that any better? Everything's gonna smell like wet dog. Wet rat. Hello. You're welcome. I'm glad you enjoyed your bath. We're going to get you dried off. Stay here. It's okay. Good boy. Don't jump down. And sit. Sit. Good boy. We're going to go here now. You ready? Good boy. Oh, you've had this done before. Yes, you have. It's not your first time. Is that all you can handle? Is that enough? Done? Okay, we'll stop there for now, alright? Good boy. Good boy. So, here is my little man. Look here. This is Louie. So, his owner very sadly passed away on Sunday. So, poor little man. I needed a new home. It was either be adopted by someone ASAP, or he was going to go to the shelter and probably be put down. So Jade's dad, so if you don't know, I'm living on the property of Jade, Scarlet Rage Vintage. I rent a little shepherd's hut on her family land, and her parents already have a dog. They've just adopted a little baby puppy, like a teeny weeny one, literally last week. Jade has 2 dogs, and then this one rocked up today because Peter can't say no to an animal that needs rescuing, and he was trying to get Dave, Jade's husband, you okay, sweetie? Trying to get Dave to adopt the dog and look after it, but they were like, we already have 2 dogs, and the dogs were going crazy over this dog. And I was like, well, I'm in the hut by myself. I can't really make like a full-on commitment to a dog, but I can at least look after the dog and give it somewhere to live, and we'll make sure that it's, you know, incorporated with the rest of the dogs and the rest of the family so that it has one big happy family. But yeah, I have a little man in my life. I know what's going to happen is my whole life is going to become about the dog. I'm a massive animal person. You saw what I was like with the cats in France. Like, I say now that I can't make a commitment to a pet, but watch my entire life become about the dog. Hey little guy, what do you reckon? He looks like a little Ewok. He's so cute, aren't you? He's already really well trained. He doesn't need, you know, he needs me to make sure that I'm disciplined with him, but he already heels. He like walks next to you on the lead, he sits. Even when I was bathing him, like he knew when to like lift his arm up or put his head back or like turn around so I could wash certain parts of him. Like, he's just the perfect little man. So yeah, obviously I just got him like mere hours ago, so we need to get to know each other better, and we'll see how he goes on his first night. But this is my super duper exciting news. So it is now 9 p.m. We've spent quite a few hours together. We went out for little walkies. We had quite a big walk with the other dogs, which was very exciting for all of them to get to know each other when Louis first arrived on the property. So it's been a very big day for him. But because he's 9 and he's had an elderly owner, he's so well behaved. He's already all trained. He's very quiet. He like never barks. He does have like little snorty sniffles, which I've read is quite common for what I believe is his breed. He's not too bad. It seems like he's got a cold, which he may do as well. So yeah, we'll find out exactly what's happening, but he doesn't seem to have fleas, and he's obviously been very well looked after and groomed and all of that. So he was a bit stinky when he came to us and needed a wash, but you can tell by the way his coat is and everything that he's well looked after. And I believe his owner was very wealthy, so I think he's been a very well looked after doggy. He's just lonely and orphaned now. I'll show you. I'm talking and I'm sure you guys couldn't give a rat's about what I have to say. You just want to see the dog, let's face it. He's asleep over there. Louie, you awake, darling? No, he's absolutely knackered. Elmo, who you might have seen on my Instagram, literally fell in love and started humping Louie. Full on fell in love at first sight with Louie. Like, we were trying, because he was humping him so much, we had to remove Elmo from the scene. And he was literally in Dave's arms, leaning his head backwards, just looking longingly and whining because we'd taken him away from Louie. Like, it was literally like star-crossed lovers. It was so cute. But Louis was not interested. He was just like, he was actually like, please leave me alone. So we shall see how that develops. But yeah, big day. And he is 9. So I believe for his breed, he's late middle age. So yeah, let's see how this little adventure goes.